Just left. So things like the water bottle needs to be thrown away. Fridge needs to be checked to make sure there's no old food put in here. Because it's winter time, we always make sure the heater's on. This is a pull-out couch. If we have more than one guest, they sometimes use that, so we have to check to make sure that is clean. Washer and dryer, check to see the lint is clean. Check the bathroom, make sure it's clean. Restock the toilet paper, put a plastic bag in here. Check behind the door just to make sure there's no towels, and all fresh towels should be re-put back underneath the sink. The bedroom, the sheets need to be washed. Here's a towel, the hamper. The whole place just needs to be swept, mopped, freshened up, cleaned, ready for the next games. Should be kind of consolidated. You know, tables wiped down. And the floor mopped and cleaned. And there's a trash bin that's outside in the back where the garbage goes. There's a microwave, make sure basic salt and peppers and dishes are all put back. Soap jar needs to be full. There's an extra one underneath here for refilling. Underneath the sink is cleaning supplies, 2 keys that always should be right here. The chicken and duck water needs to be full. There's a non-freeze water spigot right there. And I just go hook it up and then pull this cord to the chicken coop. After we finish watering, the hose needs to be drained of water because it's winter time and the water will freeze inside the hose. This little water should be full. And then we come over here and throw a couple little scoops down. And then just fill up this water. And then this one twist off to get full. Because it's winter time, I just need to make sure the water doesn't get frozen. And because it's snowing, it's a little bit more muddy, so I suggest bringing farm shoes, something that you don't care about getting muddy. Thank you.